how can you work with the templates for Canva I added to this course? You will find different Canva templates which you can use for free when buying this course. And for doing so, you just need to open the PDF or the text selection in different sections of this course and get the link. Which means, for example, here I attached a PDF to this video, and this PDF contains different formats. For example, an Instagram post, which is not one single post, but it's different templates with this size. We will talk about sizes later. Also Pinterest, also for Instagram stories, for Instagram Reels or TikTok videos, or for Facebook ads. So you will find different templates, and you can simply use these templates by clicking on the link or copying the link and opening it in a browser, which I will do now. So I just opened the link, I pasted it in here and then pressed enter. And then you see a template created by me was shared with you. And here you see the preview. So you see different preview pictures. And you can click on use template. And then you will automatically see this template or the different templates in your Canva. You can change the name, of course. You see the pages here. For example, you have, I think, 10 different pages for your ads, and you can use them, you can recreate them. For example, here I want this, but I want different pictures in here. Then this is really not a problem. And you see here a watermark because I don't have a premium account. For my account maybe. Then I just delete the background and use it like this, or use another backgrounds. Okay, so not a big deal to work with this template. If I like it like this, I click on share at the top right corner, download, and then choose the file type. In this case, it's either a video because of these animated arrows. And if I don't want the video, I just delete them and also search for different arrows, but we will talk about this in more detail. And if you want to know more about how to work with Canva, then I also have a section in this course at the end which shows you how to work with Canva. But this is mainly about creating ads, so you should already know how to work with Canva. If not, check out the last section. So now I click on share, download, and this is now a PNG or JPEG, so a picture. I choose the page, in this case page 9, I see at the top left corner, or I just click on current page. I click on download, and then I just edited this picture, and now I can use it for my own ads, if this is what I want. Of course, I should use own text, own colors, and own pictures, but just to get an idea on how to create ads or to get a little bit of help, these templates are very good. And I created them for different social media and ad platforms, like in this case Facebook, and you can use all of them for free if you bought this course.